Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your TP-Link router to the TP-Link Tether application step by step. So first of all, you can download the TP-Link Tether application from the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Now, once you have successfully downloaded it, you just have to tap on the option of open in order to launch the application. Now, when you are on the home page of the app, you may need to log in into your account, or you need to create your account if you haven't already. So when you log in into your account on the home page itself, you are going to see this plus icon or this add device option. So you just have to tap on the option of add device or the plus icon. Then you need to select the option of add a router. Now over here, you just have to basically follow these instructions that are given over here. Then tap on the option of LEDs are stable. Now you need to enable the camera, or you can just simply scan the QR code which will be available on your router. Or if you can provide that information manually, you just have to select the option of provide it manually. Then tap on the option of I am connected, and you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to provide the details and wait for some time until it is connecting your router. So once it is connected, you will be able to change the Wi-Fi names and the passwords. You will be able to view the connected devices, create guest networks, and even update the router firmwares. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.